If you're a UTV owner that puts utility in your UTV, this one's for you guys. I don't know if we should be telling everyone this, but this has been one of the best sellers on site within the last couple of years. Ever get into your UTV with slick, wet, or muddy boots? You know how slippery those factory floorboards get. So the company is Terick Solutions. They make these CNC floor mats made of recycled rubber. You take a look how thick these are. But they're all CNC to specific makes and models. They got Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, of course, CF Moto. But we got these for our Kawasaki Ridge. Man, these are burly as they can get. Nice thing is when you set them in, that's all it is. You don't have to mount them. They give you a nice non-slip surface once you get into your UTV, but it also creates a little bit of insulation when you install them. Minimize road noise, you minimize the heat during the summer, and you also minimize the cold during the winter. Who would have thought that floor mats would do all that, right? We also got ourselves this rear cargo mat. It'll create a non-slip surface for whatever you put back here as well. Boom, look how easy that it was to install. Everything fits perfectly for specific makes and models. And yeah, you got yourself a non-slip surface. It actually absorbs some of the mud, some of the snow, some of the water. You're gonna have yourself a nice platform to lay things on, and you won't have it sliding around in your bed. I'm gonna go ahead and install the floor mats inside as well. Woo! Look how close those edges are. So that's the reason why it keeps everything locked in without any hardware. I'll go ahead and do the side one-handed. You're still gonna have a lot of room for a pedal and everything like that. Even locks into place behind this groove right here on the door panel, which is really nice. Both mats are in and cargo mats in. You guys make sure to check out the site to see what else Terick Solutions makes for your make and model. Life's ride, make it your own.